Hey everybody, I'm here to explain the differences between the regular Peashooter model here and the Peashooter-S. The model name is subject to change in the future, but the design will not. Both of them are essentially the same cannon. Both models will have the same pressure chamber. It's a 2 foot by 2 inch chamber, and the same effective barrel length. Both have 3 foot barrels, 1 inch in diameter. Both are going to have the same fill system. Both use Schrader valves like you'd find on a car tire or bike tire. Both of them use the same back-mounted pressure gauge to show you how full you are. The main differences between the two is going to be the valves. The basic Peashooter model has a 1 inch ball valve. The other one has a 1 inch modified orbit sprinkler valve. The ball valve is less expensive, so it brings down the price of the cannon, but it's slower to open and more difficult to open. As an example, my 6-year-old son cannot operate this cannon because this is too difficult for him to open. It also opens a little bit slower, so you can tell from the hiss sound the cannon makes that it is opening slow and the air is rushing past the valve as it still opens. The Peashooter-S has a 1 inch modified sprinkler valve. This one's much quicker to open. It makes the cannon much more powerful, and since it's operated by this small blowgun here, it makes the cannon a lot easier to fire. Whereas my 6-year-old son could not fire this cannon, my 3-year-old daughter can fire this one. It also comes equipped with a mechanical safety, since this is fairly easy to push. And let's take the safety off here. You can tell from firing this one that it's a lot more powerful. The disadvantage to this valve is that it is more expensive and takes more of my time to modify it, so it brings up the price of the cannon. This valve is fully replaceable since it is threaded, and that also means that you can buy interchangeable barrels. So you can buy different barrel sizes, different barrel lengths, stuff like that. This one, the valve is not replaceable. It is socket, so it's glued in, but this should never really go out anyways. My recommendation, if you're trying to choose between the two, is if you have the budget, to get the Peashooter-S. It's much more powerful, a lot more fun to fire since it's trigger operated. But if you have a tight budget, get this one. It's a lot less expensive, and it's still fun because it has the same quick fill time, the same small size, all that. Thanks, guys.